Welcome to this step-by-step FPV beginner's guide. Whether you're flying analog, HD0, walk snail, or DJI, we're going to take you from opening the box to your very first safe flight. We'll cover the exact setup steps so you can follow along without guessing. In this guide, we'll go through setting up your radio and binding with ExpressLRS, installing and using Betaflight Configurator to configure your quad, connecting and setting up your goggles, no matter which video system you use, analog, HD0, walk snail, or DJI. How to charge and care for your batteries, including checking if they're high-voltage LiHV. And finally, a safe first flight checklist so you're ready to get in the air. What we need before starting. Before we start, make sure you have everything you'll need. Your radio, like the RadioMaster Pocket or Boxer, with ExpressLRS built in or as an external module. Your FPV quad, analog, HD0, walk snail, or DJI 04, fully assembled. Goggles that match your quad's video system. A computer to run Betaflight Configurator and update firmware if needed. USB cables for your radio, quad, and possibly your goggles. A charger with the right leads for your batteries. Props removal tools and a smoke stopper for safe bench work. And of course, your LiPo batteries, charged and ready. Now that we know what's ahead and what we need, let's start by connecting to our radio via Wi-Fi and setting up the ELRS bind phrase. This will make binding your quad simple and automatic. First, power on your radio. Press the sys button to open the system menu. Scroll to Tools and select ExpressLRS by pressing on the jog wheel. Step 2. Enter Wi-Fi mode. In the menu, scroll down to Wi-Fi connectivity and select Enable Wi-Fi. The screen will say Wi-Fi running. Wait about 20 seconds and you should see the ExpressLRS TX SID. On your phone or laptop, open your Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network called ExpressLRS TX and connect. The default password is ExpressLRS, all lowercase. Once connected, open your web browser and go to 10.0.0.1. This will load the ExpressLRS web UI for your radio. Find the binding phrase box. Type in a short but unique phrase that you'll remember, for example, level up FPV. Avoid using common words that others might pick. Click Save and reboot. The module will restart and exit Wi-Fi mode. And that's it. Your radio is now set to automatically bind to any ExpressLRS receiver using the same phrase. In the next step, we'll make sure your quad's receiver is set to the same bind phrase so they can link instantly.